Is there a difference between statutory law and case law? Imagine walking through a city where some rules are written on signs posted along the streets, while others are decided by the way people have historically behaved. This is similar to how laws function within the legal system. Understanding how written laws and judicial decisions interact can clarify how justice is maintained and applied. Statutory law refers to laws that are formally written and enacted by legislative bodies such as Congress, state legislatures, or local governing councils. These laws are codified in statutes, which are organized collections of legal rules that govern specific areas such as criminal conduct, business practices, or environmental regulations. For example, a law that sets the legal drinking age or establishes tax rates is a statutory law. These laws are created through a legislative process that involves drafting, debating, amending, and finally passing legislation that is then signed into effect by an executive authority. Case law, on the other hand, is derived from judicial decisions made by courts. When courts interpret statutes or address legal disputes, their rulings set legal precedents that guide future cases. These decisions are documented in judicial opinions and serve as authoritative interpretations of existing laws. For instance, if a court interprets the scope of free speech rights under the First Amendment of the United States Constitution, that interpretation influences how similar cases are decided in the future. Case law evolves as courts encounter new issues and refine legal principles through their rulings. The relationship between statutory law and case law is dynamic. Statutory laws provide the foundational rules, but courts often need to interpret these rules when disputes arise. Judicial decisions can clarify ambiguous language, fill gaps where statutes are silent, or even challenge existing laws if they are found to be unconstitutional. Conversely, courts are bound by statutes and must interpret them within the framework established by legislative intent. In summary, statutory law consists of written laws enacted by legislative bodies, while case law comprises judicial interpretations and rulings that develop from court decisions. Both are essential components of the legal system, working together to ensure laws are clear, consistent, and adaptable to new circumstances.